In my first video about dovetails, I explained the two different dovetails that you get with a practical example. And now we're going to look at an internal dovetail. So the internal dovetail is the one that is connected onto your tool post, onto the compound slide. Okay, so it's not the one that can be removed, it's the one that's like stuck onto the machine that can't be removed that easily. So like I said in the first video, what you do with dovetails is you identify the triangles first that we're going to work with. So my first triangle that I identify here is the big one over there. And then you draw it exactly as it is. Remember, the same one will be on this side. And it's on this corner up until there, from there to this corner. This corner line is not the same line as the end of my circle. Please don't assume that the end of this corner will be the same distance as the rollers. The rollers actually stick out on the sides. Okay, so this M and this 120 is not the same distance. They wouldn't have given you the 120 if they were the same distance. Okay, so this stops just before the line on the outside. Okay, so I'm going to redraw this triangle over there, exactly the way it's standing there. So H, I, and G. Now I'm going to look for any values. Remember, I said we don't work with the hypotenuse side, we just work with those two. Did they give you any letters or numbers for HI? No, they didn't give you anything on either side, so we will just use this side as HI. Okay, we're not going to, there's no letter over there. Then we go look at the other one, GH. Is there anything for GH? Yes, they told you that the distance or height there is 30. Then we're going to go look at the corners. You will see that they've indicated corner I as theta. So remember, you've got the alpha here, which is always half of your theta. Now they did give you on the other side, they did actually give you the alpha, which is 30. So that means double that corner will be 60. This corner and this corner is the same. This corner and this corner is the same, the full one. So that means I would be 60, which is double that. Then we go to the other triangle, the smaller one, over there, and you copy it down a little bit further away on the other side. Then it's G, J, and K. Not the hypotenuse side. Let's start with JK. Did they give you anything over there? So remember, JK is from the middle of the circle to the end of the circle. So technically that will be my radius. They did not indicate anything about the radius, but they did tell you that the diameter